Yeah, I'd have to reiterate, really just the guidance that we got along the way. So it wasn't, we hired kbCRATE and okay, what do you want? And we'll be there and we'll, do the job. It's let us help refine your vision, give you the cost estimates, let you know what you're looking at, work with you to really, so you can get what you want. And we wouldn't have been able to do this on our own. We would still be trying to decide what tile we want, what countertop we want. And so that was really, took a lot of the stress out of it. Communication was excellent. We always knew what was going to happen when. We had a schedule. The schedule was always kept to. Any changes were communicated. It was really a smooth process overall and very helpful.